In scenes out of a movie, 2 witnesses were gunned down meters from the Randburg Magistrate's Court this morning. The couple were witnesses in an assault case against 4 police officers that was meant to resume today. The deceased woman had accused the officers of attacking her while she was in custody over a suspected house robbery. She claimed the men in blue had booked her out of the holding cells, returning her after the beating. That assault case dates back to 2018 and is now in limbo. eNCA reporter Hloni Mtimkulu tells us more.
Meters from the Randburg Magistrate's Court, and a couple met their untimely deaths. According to police, a black Mercedes-Benz pulled up and shot the husband and wife, who were declared dead on the scene. The pair were witnesses in an assault GBH case involving 4 officers from Midrand SAPS.
The main complainant in the assault case against the police officers was the one who was allegedly gunned down together with her husband. She had already given her evidence in chief and was due for cross-examination today.
The state applied for an order to have the 4 undergo gunpowder residue testing, as well as for the confiscation of their firearms and cell phones with immediate effect.
It became vital for the investigation team to secure certain information that will actually assist in the investigations in that murder case. At this stage, Your Worship, we are not saying these are our suspects, but we are doing our investigation in eliminating any possible people that we are looking at.
The defense argued for the right for adequate time to gather evidence and to seek a legal opinion on the constitutionality of the state's application. They also said in the 5 years that the matter had sat before court, the deceased had not complained of harassment by the 4.
Is my understanding correct that you went to conduct this test in order to exclude or include them simply because they are the accused in the pending matter in court number 9?
Correct, Your Worship.
Is there any information or evidence that you have probably gathered in the last few hours that the deceased in this matter probably complained at any point in the last 5 years that these respondents were intimidating or harassing them directly or indirectly?
Not at this particular juncture, Your Worship.
The magistrate refused the request for postponement and granted the state's order. The assault GBH matter has been postponed to the 23rd of November. Hloni Mtimkulu, Johannesburg.